Okay, so today I'm going to be teaching you guys how I'm... So this is how... My room's a little messy, but don't mind that. So yeah, this is a really good last minute outfit if you don't have anything to wear. Got a red marker, paint. You just paint a little cloth or a piece of paper with this, like that, and then you cut it out, and then super glue, okay? You stick it on a bra that, like a random bra, any bra that you don't really want anymore, or just like that you're gonna use for this. And everyone has a bra, so. And yeah, so I use super glue, and I just put it on there so it would stay. And for the skirt, this skirt I got it from Shein, and I'm gonna put the link right there so you guys can buy it. But you can basically use any red bottom. This has shorts under it, by the way. But yeah, that was the outfit.